morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 8. Before I go, getting you one of these. I got oh, it's the Grinch.
Hey guys, I gotta go now. I'll see you at the mall. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, my bangs. Can you push them down? So we're just on our way into town. We just got some Starbucks. I got an eggnog latte. And we're just going to the mall because we're gonna go do some Christmas shopping. Not really Christmas shopping, just clothes shopping for ourselves. Ugh. Day 2 of bangs and I'm not really sure how I feel about it. Look at this. Francesco really likes it, so it kind of boosts my mood. Look at the view. Ooh, this is where we were living. In the ghetto. Oh my god, dude, what the f is going on here? I don't really know how I feel about going into the mall today. It's so busy. Happy Christmas every day. Oh my god, it's so cute. I want it. I'm Francesco's human hanger today. Ooh. Feels like deja vu. We're back in Topshop again. Doing some shopping. I'm just waiting for Francesco to try on some clothes. I haven't really done that much shopping, but I am because I want to try to get a black jacket today. And I'm getting like really hungry. I want to eat.
I did do the Toy Story thing.
Oh, look how dark it is outside. When you listen to your headphones and you pretend you're in a music video. That's literally a mood. Oh my god, how good does this look? I just got a chicken gyro from this stand outside of the mall and it smells so good. It has like potatoes, chicken, sauce. That's so good. I like yours better. Can I have yours?
No.
Yo, if you guys ever come to break, I feel like I'm just recommending food like every single day. I'm cold. I've been in the mall for like 3 hours and it was like, it changed from sunny to cold as F. Okay guys, so I've actually been home for quite a while. I was just editing my Vlogmas video that just went up. I know, call me crazy. I know I literally just spent money to get my haircut and bangs, but I just really love this hair and this hair color and the length. So I'm gonna wear this for my little try on haul. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys everything that I bought while I was out today. I did go a little bit crazy, just a little bit. I was gonna stay a little bit later, but I had to upload my video, which by the way, I've been reading all your comments and I'm so happy that you guys love my new hair. But I'm just gonna show you everything and let's just get straight into it because it is 8:40 and I'm waiting for my pizza to cook. Yes, I ate Greek food and pizza in the same day. What you gonna say about it? If you hear random screams, by the way, Francesco is in the other room watching football and sometimes he screams when there's a goal. So if there's a random scream, I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna first start off with H&M. So I picked up these. I actually took these out of the case because I was gonna wear them, but then I realized that gold doesn't really match this outfit, this hair, this makeup, because it's quite cool toned. I actually got these because they reminded me of the Nicki Minaj Barbie era. I was obsessed with her style. I mean, I still am. But I really loved like her Barbie just coming out like on the scene phase. I don't know why, but these reminded me of her and her style and I just love these so much. So the first thing that I got from Boots was the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. And I obviously got the shade Light because I heard some really good things about it. So I thought I would try it out and see what the hype's about because I actually ran out of my Laura Mercier powder and that expensive, like 30 pounds. This was 9, I think. I forgot. I think it was 9 or 12 pounds. The Laura Mercier one, like, I don't know if it's just me because I'm really, really pale. I always find that when I bake under my eyes, it turns to like a white ghost, dusty, like kind of color, which is not cute. So I'm trying to avoid that. So hopefully this is good. Also picked up myself some Neutrogena hand cream. My grandma actually introduced this to me way long ago because Canada gets hella cold during the winter. Vancouver not so much, but still it gets really cold. And my hands always crack during winter time. This is the only thing that I have ever used. I mean, I haven't really used a lot, to be honest, but it's the only thing that I know that actually freaking works. Like, you just put a little dab on and it just gets rid of your cracked hands. Like, watch this. See this gross-ish here? Just a little dab, girl. Just a little dab. Boom! You seriously need to try this. This is a miracle in a little tube. Trust me. I also picked up Smile breath spray, which you definitely need if you want to avoid getting stank ass mouth. Ugh. The world would be a less stinky place if we all had one of these in our handbags. I eat a lot of garlic and gross stuff. I just don't want my breath to stink. I actually bought this yesterday, but I just wanted to include it. I got the Charlie Sweet Emporium marshmallows. These are so good. I would eat one, but I'm gonna wait until after dinner. Smells so good. Okay, so moving on. Where are we going now? Okay, let's start with Primark because that's kind of where I bought most of the stuff. So the first thing that I bought from Primark were these black booties. So I actually saw a girl trying this on and I literally ran up to her and I was like, oh my goodness, where did you find these? These are so cute. She was like, oh, I found them over there. So I literally ran. I didn't even try these on because I already know these are gonna look so cute because it looked so cute on her. I don't know why, but it's so freaking difficult to find plain booties. Like, I just want booties that are plain black, suede. They don't have a weird butt sticking out here. Like, you know when you buy like booties and it has like a really weird shape back here, like it goes always something. There's always like a zipper, a little metal gold chain here. No, these were only 16 pounds, which is freaking good steal. I bought a lot of like skirts and stuff, so that's gonna look so cute with like black tights, these booties. The next thing I bought is something that I don't really feel like is my style, but I just bought these because Francesco said that they would look cute. Some Chelsea booties. These were only 9 pounds, so I was like, okay, hey, whatever, I'll just buy them. But yeah, they are not really my style, as I just said. I don't really know what I'm gonna wear this with, and I don't even know if I'm gonna wear them. I probably will because I just bought them, but they're cute. I mean, we can try. I can try to make this work. Okay, so let's start with clothes. So the first article of clothing that I bought from Primark was this. I have been wanting one of these for so long. It's like a cute, you guys have probably seen this everywhere, like all the Instagram have this. It's like the poofy shoulders with the cute low neckline. It's so cute. I'm not really sure if this color is gonna suit me because it's quite like a warm orangey color. We'll try it anyways. They had a white version of this, but they didn't have my size, unfortunately, so yeah. So the next thing I bought was this. Now girl, they were having a sale at Primark because this was supposed to be 15 pounds and it's 7. What the hell? How is this 7 pounds? Why is Primark having sales? Like, that's crazy. It's already cheap enough. So I was like, okay, I have to get this. It's kind of like a more summery kind of outfit. It's a tube, I don't even know what you call this, a dress. I just thought this was gonna be so cute because I see so many girls wearing this with like a long sleeve black or white shirt, like tights, like boots on them. Like, you can really play this up, and I think like even though it's winter time, like I really think this will be really cute. So I'm really glad I got that. I picked this up, which is a cute lacy pink bodysuit. This was only 8 pounds and I just wanted to get this because I love blush pink. It will look so cute under like a blazer. Like, I really want to get a white blazer, have this underneath. Even a black blazer, this would look cute with like a skirt or something, you know, like you could just really do anything with this, and I just really wanted to have it in my wardrobe. Oh my god, that was the pizza. Hold up. Nope, never mind, that was just the laundry. So the next thing I got were these. I am obsessed with Primark accessories, girl. I mean bags, shoes, nails, you name it, I'm obsessed. And I picked 3 different nails up, which I freaking loved, and I didn't even realize but they were on sale too. They're already cheap, like £1.50, £2, £2. I went up to the till, half price, 50p. I was like, what the hell is going on? Why is Primark having sales? When was that a thing? I don't know. But the first one that I got was these python nails. I think it's so cute because Waffles is a ball python, so now I'll be wearing Waffles on my nails. Cute. I got these teddy nails, so I just got like short nails with these gold kind of, what do you call those, gold dots, something on them. This is really cute though, and this looks just so classy, like you're gonna go to a Christmas party. So I had to get them. And then the last one I got were these Christmas nails, which, I mean, duh, it's Christmas. They were the only ones left, so I got the last one. So if you went to Primark and they're not there, that's because I took the last one. Okay? Okay? What you gonna do about it? I mean, they're super kiddish and cartoonish, but I mean, I'm about that life. I am about that life. If you guys haven't tried Primark nails before, you need to, because this stuff is so good. Like, I would have never bought drugstore nails or like anything like that until I saw this girl that I was working with. She had the most beautiful copper nails, like metallic, and I was like, oh my god, I love your nails, like they're so cute. And when she said Primark, girl, I ran, got the exact same pair, which I know you shouldn't really do, but I did anyways. Oops. And I wore them and they lasted me like a week. So you're literally spending £1 for nails, cute nails that last a week. But yeah, you definitely should try Primark nails. They are the shit. So the last place that I went to was New Look. I only bought 2 items, but girl, they are my favorite items in the entire haul. Like, I mean, I have been looking for these 2 items forever, okay? Forever. So the first item I bought from there was this super cute, I don't know what you call this, it's like a fur cardigan. I am obsessed with these. Like, these are just so adorable. Like, you can really play this up. Like, you can make it look super cute and cozy, or you can make it look super sexy. If you wore this with like a little black lacy bandeau or bralette, high-waisted jeans, if you wore this with like a long sleeve shirt, like jeans, some booties, maybe like a cute little hat, like this is just so cute. This was on sale, surprisingly. Like, they only had a couple left, so I was so glad that I found it. It was only £12 when originally it was $25.99. So I was super fortunate to find this because I've been looking for a fur cardigan forever. So yeah, if you guys are on the lookout for that, they have black as well, so you guys should definitely go get them before they're gone, because I don't know how long they're gonna be there for. And the last item that I am so excited to show you guys is a black fur jacket. Girl, I have been on the hunt for a black fur jacket for months. I'm even gonna dare say years, because girl, I looked for one last Christmas, couldn't find any. I looked for some in the summer, couldn't find any. I saw other girls with these and they told me, they're like, yeah, no, sorry, it was the last one in the store. So you know what? When I went to New Look today, I went through the whole store. I tried all the black fur jackets and they all sucked. So when we were leaving the store, I actually noticed on the side of my eye that there was like a kids section downstairs. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna run down there really quick because I mean, what's the harm? And I saw this. Oh my god, I was a little bit nervous when I tried it on because I didn't think it would actually fit me, because it says kids age 12 to 13. But girl, look at this. Look at this. This is the perfect, I mean, my version of perfect black jacket. Like, it fits so good. The fur is so soft. It comes up to like my waist. Probably isn't gonna keep me warm at all during winter, but I don't care. You think that's gonna stop me from wearing it? I'm from Canada. I can handle it, okay? Actually, not really. I'm from Vancouver. Again, and then it has like this hood. This was $29.99. This was £30. This best freaking jacket. I know you guys can't see like my measurements on camera. You don't really have anything to compare me to, but I'm actually quite a petite person. Like, I'm really short. I'm 5'2.5", I think. So I was just really glad to find something that finally fits me. I've never thought to look in the kids section, but I'm definitely going to from here on out. So yeah, that was my little haul. I hope you enjoyed it. So I'm gonna quickly film the try-on haul and then eat my food and then edit this video. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and also just thank you guys so much for the comments on your last video about like me feeling pressured and stuff. It just made me feel like a lot better. Like I just feel like the weight's been lifted off my shoulder. And don't worry, I'm only working this hard because it's to show the love back, you know? Like I'm doing this and making content so that you guys know how appreciative I am of you. So yeah, thank you guys again, and I will see you tomorrow at 5 a.m. because actually not 5 a.m. Don't wake up at 5. I'm gonna post it like the regular time, but I'll be filming it at 5 a.m. Okay, bye. I probably don't recommend for you guys to wear a wig cap if you have bangs, or else you'll start looking like Sailor Moon.